I think you can hear our coaching team is so happy to be here. I mean, it's stunning, honestly. I mean, so many beautiful beaches here in Australia in general, and here in Perth and Rottnest Island. I've been here, I think, first time back in 2007 or 8 when I played Hopman Cup for the first time, and yeah, it's really nice to see that after so many years the island is still preserved with its wildlife, and yeah, the water is crystal clear. It's amazing. It's a lot of people, family enjoying their time, and you know, for us to get a little dip in the ocean, it's nice.
So we'll guide you through the process if that was to happen. We won't have to worry about it anymore. Man down already.
Goran je otvorio ovu žutu.
Pa Nikita already, brate. Ko?
Gorane. Precautionary measures for the snakes, guys.
Perfect, thank you.